everyone, it's Christina. In today's project, I am using the Charming Witch transfer, and I'm putting it on a board that I picked up at Hobby Lobby and painted with chalk paint and waxed. If you wax it, you do not have to fuzz your transfer. And I'm going to be using the colors Mixed Berry, Kiwi, Orange Peel, and Bright White, and that is in the chalk paste. And here I'm just smoothing it down, going over everything, making sure there's no bubbles on the edges of the letters or anywhere or in the screen part. So I'm going to take the Mixed Berry color first, and I'm going to cover the word witch, and I'm going to leave a heavy coat. That way it does not dry out on me. If you leave it pretty thick while you do the other letters, it will not dry out. If it does start to dry out, all you got to do is take a damp paper towel and lay it on top of it just to keep it moist. So now I'm going to take the Kiwi color, and I'm going to go over the word monsters, again leaving it thick, and I'll go back and take off the excess at the end. So now I'm going to take the color Orange Peel and go over the words handsome devil, smoothing it out, making sure I get everywhere that I need to. And if you notice that I left a gap at the top, I did that for a reason. So now I'm going to take the multi-purpose tool, and I'm going to go over a Charming Witch and her little and live here with one, and then all the little stars and bubbles and stuff like that. So again, you can see that I left the gap up there. I knew I wanted to add some kind of decoration to the top. I didn't know if it was going to be a ribbon, a bow, or what it was going to be, but in the picture at the end, you'll see that I ended up wrapping some jute twine around it and just adding some little spiders that I had picked up at Hobby Lobby. I just hot glued them on. So again, you'll see that in the end picture. Okay, so now I'm going to take my multi-purpose tool and remove all of the white excess, putting it back into my jar, even if it's just a little drip. But we want to get it off and not waste. And again at the top, as I said, you leave it thick so it does not dry as fast on you. And now I'm going to go back and remove the excess of the Mixed Berry color, putting it what I can back into the jar. And then we'll go to the Kiwi and remove what we can. And peel and reveal. It started drying up on me, so yeah. So yeah, if you like this project, give it a thumbs up. And be sure to like and subscribe. If you'd like to get your hands on these products, visit my website. And there was a little spot over there, so I had to take some water on a Q-tip and clean it up. But it cleans up easy. Be sure to like my Facebook page, join my VIP group, and yeah, I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye!